Oh, you came back. Man, thanks. I'm gonna need it. If my wife ever finds out how much I spent on these bikes, I'm gonna need bail money. No, just kidding. No, I'm not. So listen, getting into BMXing and buying these bikes online and spending a lot of money scared me. And I'll be honest, the first 3 people I spoke to, 2 of them were scammers, and they almost got my money. This bike I bought with the rest of that box over there, he's not a scammer. I'm gonna post his link down below. I think he sells on bmxmuseum.com. Super cool cat, really nice guy, very responsive, and he's a trusted seller. But I bought this bike from him, and I'm kind of excited to do an unboxing video. So just on a side note, there are a lot of scammers out there, and I'm going to do another video on that, and the conversation I had via email, and kind of give you some tips and tricks on what to look for, and do a little background on these people and look at their Facebook pages and whatnot. And you can actually use like PayPal to look up these people. But let's get started. All right, let's do this. Oh man, it's like Christmas morning. So this box came from a guy by the name of Matt Steerling. I'm gonna add his username from bmxmuseum.com and whatnot, as long as he says it's okay. I'll try that. But sounded like he was excited that I was gonna unbox this and actually start to rebuild it. I kind of want to clean it. So if I didn't tell you, this is a Skyway street styler. I think it's an 86, but from the pictures, and I'll put them in this video, from the pictures, it looks almost original, everything original. I was told that the Tough Wheel 2s may be lavender, and I was told the lavender ones from back then are very rare. So let's check this out. They are lavender. That is awesome. So, oh man, that's pretty cool. And those are the original Tough Wheels. So, put it in the comments below and help me figure out, how do I bring these bad boys back to color again? That is awesome. Super happy. I also bought a set of RL20 handlebars. And I think these are gonna go on that bad boy right there. Oh man. Look at that. I mean, just a piece of history right there to have a real old set, original Tough 2s, or Toughs, just the Tough. With that, I know I'm gonna screw it up. Just kind of give you guys a heads up, I've never done this before. I've never posted anything on YouTube. I'm gonna have to figure out editing, how to use YouTube and the algorithms and blah, blah, blah. All right, let's see what else. Oh, look at that. Skyway handlebars. Look at those, man. Someone spray painted over the top, and I gotta figure out a way to take that spray paint off. Maybe another comment right there. Some of you guys are a wealth of knowledge out there, and somebody out there can help me be able to take that paint off without ruining the original paint. All right, so now for the big one. All right. So let me kind of make, oh. Thank God it's a GoPro. Man, sorry about that. I got all excited. I'm gonna make some space. So he sent me a picture of this, and I thought this was awesome. The original owner's manual. Oh man. I never thought I'd be so excited to have something so old. I'm sure that's what my wife said too. But yeah, she's about 11 years younger than I am. She doesn't get any of this. So here are the pedals, and I'll be honest, I don't know if these are the original ones that came on the Skyway back then. But pretty cool. Hey, nice job, by the way, Matt. This is a really good packing job. I actually respect that. Thank you. All right, what do we got in here? What do we got in here? Oh, man. Look at that. Paint's faded, but somebody, again, spray painted on top of that. That's going to have to be redone. Oh, look at, oh man, Skyway pegs. Now, I also, on top of this bike, I also bought, like I said, the handlebars, and I also bought an extra seat clamp. So I'm finding that these are getting harder and harder to find. But, oh, it's not the Broken Arrow one. Still a seat clamp from Skyway. And Skyway levers. Man. What else? What else? Oh, look at the Odyssey brakes. Now, if you know somebody that does powder coating and does a great job and they're great to deal with, hit me up in the comments and let me know, because I want to send this stuff off to be redone. Okay. Original post and the Skyway hot seat. Now, I've been told that these are hard to find. I don't know. I don't know, but I got one. Bottom bracket. Bearings and all. Looks like a one-piece bracket. Yeah, see, this chrome's just got some pitted rust and stuff on there. Got some ideas on how to get that, but again, put it in the comments. What do you got? How do you do it? All right, what do you got here? Okay, it looks like the original headset. Oh boy. Here we go, the forks. Man, Skyway forks. And they do look like somebody's kind of spray painted over them. Gotta figure that out. But here she is. The frame. Oh man, look at that. And it still has the bike shop owner sticker on it. Looks like Cookeville, Tennessee. Smith's Bikery. I wonder if they're still around. But yeah, looks like the original stickers. And again, somebody spray painted over the top of them. But man, what a, like a Picasso to me. I mean, that's just beautiful. So yeah, this is it, man. And I saw this, and I bought it from Matt Sterling again. And thanks, Matt. I'm grateful, and I'm gonna keep you posted on what I do with this bad boy. I want to get this thing on the road again. All right. Thanks for coming by. All right. Stay rad.